Welcome! If you're looking to make your Pinterest pins more accessible and discoverable, adding a pin description is a simple but powerful step. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to add a description to your pins on Pinterest using the latest app features. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will bring up your personal Pinterest page where you can see all your boards and pins. Next, tap on the pin section. Here, you'll find all the pins you've saved or created. Scroll through your collection and find the pin you want to edit. When you've found it, press and hold just a long press on that pin. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Edit. This opens up the editing screen for your selected pin, where you can change various details. Now, look for the box labeled Alt Text. This is where you'll enter your pin's description. In this box, type a clear and concise description of your pin. Be specific. Describe what's in the image or what the pin is about. This not only helps with accessibility for users who rely on screen readers, but it also improves your pin's visibility in Pinterest search results. Once you've entered your description, tap Done to save your changes. Your pin now has an updated description, making it easier for others to find and understand your content. That's all there is to it. By adding a description, you're helping your pins reach a wider audience and making Pinterest a more inclusive space. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!